You've been missing from the daily vlogs for a minute, and is this your reason why?
No, my reason why is because
You were cuffed.
I was cuffed.
Are you still cuffed?
Yes.
This is sick.
This thing is my project.
Is it a finished project or an unfinished project?
It's a finished project for now.
Just do it again.
What I just did?
Yeah, do what you did again.
It's just me failing a flare.
Yeah, but that's important sometimes. The way you learn things is by messing them up like crazy, and then you learn it. No, you messed up better before, which means worse. That's it, you're gonna do it today. I guarantee you'll do it today. I will bet. Because if you don't do it, then you owe me McDonald's. Okay, if you can do that, then you'll land it in probably 10 tries.
How?
I did it in 10 tries, and I am the last person to do this trick. We have another video and another session where I believe Kenny can do something, and he talks so much crap for about 45.5 minutes about him not being able to do it. Look, you see?
I don't believe in myself.
When you doubt yourself, you're talking crap. Okay, listen, I know you can flare whip.
I know I can
especially after that try. Let's see Kenny's first flare whip attempts, like actual ones.
Oh, I didn't mean to land on the brake.
I had a whole video idea for today, which we'll probably film after this, but we have Kenny stealing the video again, being the star. So if he lands this, and only if he does, please give him a follow. His Instagram is on the screen, and you'll be able to see a nicer angle of this flare whip that we'll probably film again after he lands it, because I know he'll land it. Come here, come here, come here.
I'm not trying to like
Come.
on Reyes demonetized.
Out of every single trick I told you that you could probably do, how many tricks didn't you do?
The bri whip to Manny.
Yeah, but you just stopped doing that. Doesn't mean you can't do it. How many times have you died me telling you could do something?
Alright, you got me.
Crickets, right?
Cricket?
Crickets.
Is that some New York saying that I'm unaware of?
No moment of silence because you have no answer, so just land the trick right now.
Well, I didn't hear it. Well, how could I?
Sometimes I miss New York
That's what I'm doing.
and New Yorkers.
I can flare whip.
Ooh, that was good. That one you caught it and then sped up the rotation. Every time, so dramatic, and then learns the trick in 10 minutes, maybe 15. This one was 15 minutes.
Same with flares.
Same with flares. Kenny's first flare whip, and we were able to document that.
Imagine she just doesn't answer.
Hello?
Ma, guess what?
What?
So I can do a flare whip.
That's really good, honey.
Like I can do a backflip, but do a tail whip in the middle.
Oh, wow. Okay, can you send me a video?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. All right, good.
Okay, I just want to let you know.
Okay, love you.
Love you, Ma. Bye.
You know why? Because you're not.
Alright, bet.
It's gonna blow up.